In this video, I'm going to show you how to make jalapeno poppers a few different ways. Alright, so we're going to start with the simple version of a jalapeno popper, and all we're going to need is some cream cheese, a green jalapeno, some bacon, a teaspoon, some toothpicks, and a knife. So we're going to start by cutting our jalapeno in half lengthways, and then using our teaspoon, we're just going to scrape the seeds and membrane out. And now we're just going to fill our jalapeno halves with some cream cheese, and then we're going to wrap some bacon around our jalapenos and secure it on with a toothpick. So this jalapeno popper right here is completely fine, but what we're going to do now is progressively level them up. So it's going to be the same process. We'll cut our jalapeno in half lengthways, scrape that membrane and the seeds out, but this time instead of using plain cream cheese, we're going to use some sweet chili Philly, and we're still going to wrap them in bacon, but now we're just going to give the tops a dusting in our steak shooter rub. So pretty much the same process, we're just leveling up those flavors. Now for our next ones, same again, we're just going to slice our jalapenos in half lengthways. We'll scrape those seeds and that membrane out. We'll fill them with cream cheese, but what I'm going to do now is just dice up some cheese cabana that we're going to stuff into the cheese, and you'll be left with something like that. Now instead of diced cabana, you can get as creative as you want and use any of your other favorite meats. I love using leftover pulled pork and brisket to mix into the cream cheese, but it's completely up to you. Alright, and then our last version for this video, we're going to chop the end off and then slice our jalapeno in half. We're still going to scrape the seeds and the membrane out. Fill those halves with whatever cream cheese you like. I'm going to go with some of the sweet chili Philly. And then I've just got a Spanish chorizo sausage here, which I'm just going to take out of the casing. I'm just going to flatten half of that sausage mince out because we're going to just encase it around our jalapeno to make an armadillo egg, and then you'll be left with something like so. And now we can get them in our barbecue, starting with our standard jalapeno poppers, then our slightly leveled up ones, our diced cheese Kransky stuffed ones, and then our little armadillo eggs. Alright, now I'm just going to let them cook away at around 150 to 180 Celsius or 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I reckon we're looking at around a 30 to 40 minute cook. I really just want the jalapenos to soften up, that bacon to start crisping up, and we obviously want that sausage mince to cook through as well. Alright, and after about 35 minutes, these are looking absolutely incredible. So we can start getting these out and onto our cutting bench. That is so tasty. Well, there you have it. There's how to make jalapeno poppers a few different ways. My favorite is going to be different to your favorite, so give them all a shot and let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments as well. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.